Hi, how's it going? I'm Jaden from Arcan RVs, and today I'm going to show you the Passport 2400. This one here is a 2016 model. It's our used 2400. The first thing you want to notice is the big pass-through storage coming through here. It does have a magnetic clip, so you're not going to have to hold it up with your head as you're putting your chairs and tables all the way through. Both doors are going to be the same size, so when you're sliding stuff in there, you're not having the kid slide through and pull his legs to get anything in the back. This one does have a single slide on the other side, and it does have dual axles. They did spread the axles out. It's a load equalization, so it's going to be a little bit less weight on the back of your truck, which helps for less sway as you're going down the road. And with that wide wheel stance, it is going to give a better base when you're going down the road. This one comes equipped with an outside kitchen. So slide this out, you have an outside sink, plus a 2-burner stove, a little bit of storage, and you do have a little mini fridge right there. Both bunks will have a window coming in, you can see on the outside, and it does have a full electric awning with outside speakers on it. Coming around to the back, we have another window coming in your bottom bunk area. And this one here is equipped with the Max Air fans in your bathroom area. All right, Max Air fan cover, I'm sorry. Going inside, we have an easy grip handle as you walk in with a triple step, so you're not having to stress your knees coming in and out. Bedroom, as soon as you walk in on your right hand side, it is dual access, so you're not having to climb over one another to try to get in and out of bed, and lots of storage throughout. As you can see there, solid wood doors as you slide open into the bedroom, giving you a little bit more privacy, and then extra storage in your front area here with a TV and sound system built right in. This is that slide I was telling you about. A huge U dinette. You're going to be able to fit everyone in the family at the table here, and all the plates on the table, as well as storage all throughout the whole U dinette. You can access from here or underneath your bottom seat. Big kitchen space. You have lots of countertop space as well as a 2 double sink. A little bit of storage underneath with 2 drawers coming in right there for utensils or anything that you need. This unit comes equipped with ducted AC through your roof and ducted furnace to the floor as well. A little bit of extra storage at the back here. Walking into your bathroom area, you have your vanity above and storage below the sink with your tub shower and your toilet. And then 2 big double bunks as well with a little bit of storage underneath them. And they do have a curtain to create a little bit more of that privacy. Full 6 cubic feet fridge with a freezer on top. And you do have a 3-burner stove here in the kitchen area with a little bit of storage underneath there. And then to top it off, a little bit of extra countertop storage on the top. Thank you for viewing this video. I'm Jaden from Arcan. Hopefully you can come by and see it someday.